Hello everyone, welcome back to app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Discord while using Netflix. So if you want to be able to watch Netflix while on a call with someone in Discord, then follow along. First of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now in your taskbar, click on the Windows icon and search for Netflix. Click open and then log into your account. Once logged in, you can choose any show or movie you want to watch. Now minimize it and again go to your taskbar and click on the Windows icon and search for Discord. Once inside, you can hop on a call. Once you're in a call, minimize it. You can again open your Netflix and you can watch any show you want. You can also share the screen while watching Netflix, and that's it. This is how you can use Discord and Netflix at the same time. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.